No. Give me some traditional way to eat and living. Yeah.
It's a little bit sour. This one.
Little bit sour.
Yeah. Try this with this one. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I eat too many.
We're gonna have this. One more here.
Okay.
हम लोग आज सही ऑर्डर
Read it.
Try this one.
Which one? I did it.
Try it once more.
Okay. I cannot finish it. Okay. Thank you.
Take this. Are you done?
No, just put it on it. Okay, thank you, lady. Can you give me one more coffee?
More coffee?
Yeah. Thank you.
Try this one.
तपाईले खानुहुन्छ कफी?
म त कफी खान्छु local dish.
Yeah, eat it. How about this one?
It's sweet. Maybe you can have this last.
Really?
दुधमा चाहिँ सही छ के?
Okay, go.
के खान
Acts as a dessert. Try this one.
Okay.
Very famous dish.
I need it. Thank you. Bye. See ya.
Brother, let's do it from this side.
Okay. Wait.
Let me carry the tripod.
What?
Tripod.
Tripod?
Yeah.
Yeah, enough. That's okay. If I'm driving, you carry more.
Okay.
Sometimes really looks like not using a lot of strength, but you need to concentrate.
Yeah, on the road.
Sometimes a little bit tired. Wait. This picture is Patagon, right? Yeah, I saw them.
Yeah. It's Pattern. Pattern.
Right.
This side.
Yeah.
Go to slipper.
Yeah. Maybe today or tomorrow. Who knows? Just go sleep first.
I'm full.
I'm not.
I'm not full.
Not. What?
Are we roaming around the summer area or are we going right back to our room?
Back.
Right back?
Yeah.
That means we have to go from here. I thought we would roam one down around. Or we can go one down. And
Just go back. We go sleep.
just go directly back to our room.
Yeah. Thank you.
What about you?
They have a bigger one, but I think to be expensive. Asking them how much money.
Henry? Let's go inside. Check it.
Yeah. Like this town.
This one?
Yeah, maybe this one.
Shall we go inside and ask?
Yeah, sure. Go. Hello.
It's down 7,800.
How much money?
7,800.
Let me see.
It's 413 yards.
Yeah.
It's 11,500. $605 yards.
What's up? That's a 40% off.
It's 12,000. 831. 6,025. So yeah. Point.
No, not 600. Yeah, that's expensive here. Let me think about it. In China, it's just 200.
200, yeah.
Yeah. 3 times.
It's expensive.
Yeah. Even my shoes 200. 200 even more. Because the roadside. That's a really,
Expensive.
yeah, expensive here.
Little bit is cheaper.
What?
It's a piggy bank.
Saving.
Yeah, saving.
Okay? Go. Car. This store have some good things.
You want to get some?
Check. Just look around it. Nothing bothered.
Oh, it's warm.
What do you mean?
Warm, hot.
Really? Go inside to see it, but you don't need to care about it. What?
Tomila.
What do you mean, Tomila?
Looks out. 아니랑 free 말봐. 아니 가서 기다려. 아니 이게 10,000 क्यों मैसेज है? 아니 이게 10,000 क्यों मैसेज है? ना? ये 아니 폰 नंबर है। ये 아니 폰 नंबर है। वो 5,000 아니가 끼껴야 돼. 나? 아니 이게 폰 낭비다. 얘는 폰 낭비도 아니야. 라. 이게 폰 낭비.
Oh, what's that? The silver coin? It's not that one. Yeah. Let's see. That's okay. Don't worry about it. In God we trust it. To 1995. I don't know. Yeah, thank you. What's inside?
This one?
That one. Ah. Okay, thank you.
Hello. काले गाता? आते काले के? आते बैंगलोर 5 दिन लाख उनका संग है गया तीन तांग कैश में बैंगलोर में आते रूम बारे तेरे बने आते लो बैंगलोर तांग है ना 5 दिन कल संग है लाख उन लाख वाला
Any problem?
Ah.
Excuse me.
करने वाला है जो हम लोग डायरेक्ट आपको सीधे निकल के लगा है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट
Yeah. Maybe we go. There's a lot of people here.
देखो ना तुम लोग खाली गोली आ जाएगी नहीं आ रहा
Go.
चुपा उसको प्राइस पर डराना जरूरी है
मांग रही है दे दे नहीं देगा खाने इतना
रॉन्ग साइड है ना आई
What? Really? Okay.
You feel good?
I don't know. I cannot see it. Is it good or not?
It's good.
What do you mean?
It's good.
It's 2 lenses on it, right? 360. Yeah.
पीछे दिखे आगे
Okay. No. Just enough, I think. It's not a temple.
It is believed that it was created itself. No one created this.
Yeah. Or
Yeah,
you
Swayambhu.
believe in it?
I don't think so, but then Swayambhu means self-created.
Yeah, that's good.
It was born from the lotus.
Yeah.
Maybe I can say this.
Just put it in it.
What happens?
Huh? It's okay. What's she doing?
Making TikTok.
Really?
TikTok is famous.
What? Really? Is it called here Monkey Temple?
Monkey temple down.
Downstairs, right?
Swayambhu. Are you going down?
Simple.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going down. You can look at it. And,
You didn't find it good?
it's okay. It's good. Don't worry about it. Be happy.
Okay.
Don't care about a lot of things. Please. Sometimes you make something wrong, but it's not means not good.
Okay.
You can find a special things, right? Different place, different time. Yeah, maybe you can see a lot of things that you never imagine it. So don't worry about it. Just keep going. Right?
Sister coming here?
Yeah, she said that, but I'm not sure. she can go or not. I told you she have family. Yeah. So who knows? If she can make a decision, that's okay. Here, I think some women they cannot make a decision, right? Right?
Depends upon.
Depends on the man, right? Okay, come on, close. Ah, you small, you go from. Ah, yeah, that's not right. What's wrong with it?
It's good.
Where?
It's like
Okay,
a
okay, okay.
Spanish.
What's that? I don't know. We sit somewhere. Can't we?
You're gonna sit somewhere.
Sit and we.
Smoke.
Yes, right. Small monkey, little monkey. Hey, here.
You can sit. That's fine.
Why? Why cannot here? Other people.
Only 2 people.
Yeah.
We can take a fresh air.
There's a lot of monkey here.
That's why the town is called Monkey Temple.
Yeah. Be careful.
She's angry.
They can bite. They always.
Is it still? So you wanted to visit the biggest one.
Yeah.
It's similar like that.
Yeah,
Family.
almost like that, but this one
It's not that big.
it's not just big. Most of the religion people know that bigger one,
Yeah.
right? Okay, maybe we go
Downstairs.
downstairs.
Okay. Baby.
Don't bother them. They're gonna
Bite.
really.
They're gonna start a fight with us. That's what I'm gonna tell you,
Here is a little bit cool. She getting fat. We can't eat. know each other right now.
You want to go
No, don't need it. That's okay. I'm not interested. I told you, I'm not interested in something. I'm interested in the people. People's life. And the monkey's life. Comfortable? Yeah. Okay, go. Go.
each other?
Yeah. But you need to really take care about it. Take care about it. They're gonna bite you. They're gonna bite you. Yeah, really. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
लास्ट वाला मेरा गया है
Hey, really? You're speaking Nepali. You can't do it. Just say it sometimes. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I heard it. Sit. Do we sit? Ah, that's a lot of people.
माथि छोडो
Why you need to go? That's fine.
You can come back.
I don't need to come back. Why you can come back? Ticket center. Yes, it's there. Not right now. Excuse me. Thank you. Hear the sound. What? Yeah.
Gumba.
What?
Gumba.
Gumba what?
Gumba means monastery.
Okay. What? Still some phone. Yeah.
I'm sorry if you do not like this place, okay?
I like it. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Why you always think about a lot? Why? Huh?
Okay. Because it's
What's your name is?
my name.
Yeah.
Dawa.
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 How to spelling it?
D-A-W-A. Dawa, yeah. Got it.
Right.
Perfect.
Yeah, that cannot forget. Don't worry about it. You think about too many. Right?
Because,
I want to see everything.
okay.
Just a surprise to me. It's not my things in my mind. You know
What
that?
about the another one? And I brought you the another one.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't need to worry about it. Everything's okay. Don't worry. Yeah. You are.
Maybe I can take some video and send to my family. Is that fine?
Of course, fine. I don't want to bother you. That's
No, I want to send our both pictures.
my cell phone gonna be dead. No, electricity almost gone.
So, are we waiting for the sister? Or are we gonna get back to our room?
Waiting for her.
Okay, that's
What?
fine.
I did something. Promise
Yeah.
for waiting.
You're a man with rules.
Not the roads. It's a normal human. You have to do this. In my city, most of people like that. We see something, you have to do. Not other place. Other place is okay. I don't care. In my city, Shanghai, that's it. That's all people want to do it. Follow the rule. They're not doing better things, or most of people in Shanghai. I said that means local people. Shanghai local people, not outsiders going to the city. Not. Just depend on the education and the family environment. Family and different. Every city is different, very different.
Traditional, the way of thinking, the way they act is different.
Yeah, different. The doing things are different. Talking, speaking. You can hear them talking. You can know where they came from. If you travel enough, you can see the people came from, where you came from. Okay, we go front door. Front door. Here you go, front door. Be careful.
Maybe go and sit there.
Where?
There. Maybe we can conduct it there.
Oh, please just sit here. The sun not making you dead. You're not doing that. That's me. Can you remember it? Can you remember me? That's me. Getting older, right? My battery almost dead.